Bring in Michael Jaafar. He's a national trial attorney with an opinion or two. What do you think of this case overall here? And this is a big witness, no doubt. How important is she for the defense?
She's very important for the defense. I've been very unpopular for my views on this case. You know, I even get yelled at a little bit by my wife for my views on this case, because in my opinion, I think everybody's forgetting, and this witness is kind of bringing it back to light. They're forgetting that the reason that the family is distressed at the loss of their mother is because the mother took her life. It's very, very, very sad. It's very tragic, right? To take your life means that you're at the ultimate stage of desperation, but that's the act that caused her to lose her life, not the understandable misdiagnosis by the hospital about CRPS. That did not cause Ms. Kowalski to pass away. It's her actions, her active actions, affirmative actions to take her life. So my opinions on this case, which are very unpopular, are that the hospital's not responsible for the death of Ms. Kowalski. They're responsible for the 87-day detention of Maya. They are responsible for that, and even though the state of Florida decided to do that, the hospital was on the side of the state. They were the ones who brought it to the forefront for the state to make that decision, and the state relied on the opinions of the hospital. So the attorneys are showing that, and they're showing it pretty well. But this is not a $200 million damages case against this hospital. It's, in my opinion, a $2 million damages case against the hospital, right? And money matters because the family's asking for $200 million. That's a stake in the ground where you're saying you're responsible for the death of Ms. Kowalski, so you have to pay us $200 million as punitive damages for your actions. And I just don't see it that way, Ted, and I'm unpopular for it, but that's just my opinion.